Hey everyone. So you are currently looking at a slideshow of some personal photos and some photos that I've taken out and about. And no matter how long I have lived here, I never get tired of taking a photo of the gorgeous views that we get. That is our, what is the word that I'm trying to think of? Traffic jam. So I wanted to let you all know that the new channel is pretty much done. I have completed most of the transferring of the content from this Glacier Wigglers to the other one. I have about maybe one or two, maybe three left. I didn't want to bombard the algorithm, so I was trying to space them out as much as I could. That way the algorithm wouldn't go haywire. But I have the channel up and available on the home page of this Glacier Wigglers page. So you can go to there and sub to the new channel if you would like. And if not, that's okay. I understand. I just hope to see you later on. The new channel now has a channel trailer that I just finished and completed today. It was a big project that I was also trying to work on in between, and it means a lot to me in particular for a couple reasons. It's personal to me, and it also explains the direction that the channel is going and how I want it, how I would like it to go. I am improving in a lot of things, so I hope the content will improve as time goes on, which, you know, it's just the way it is. You start off one way and you got to get better and keep improving. But I hope it will get to the point that it will be engaging and entertaining as I learn and do more. So the channel itself, my videos and my content will will evolve as it has been. Sometimes I might take a step back on something and go, okay, no, I like this way better. I might go this way. So it will, be evolving to the point where I can dial it down to how I feel represents me, my family, what I'm doing, and to help other people and still work with my issues. So I hope everybody will enjoy it and learn something or, if anything, chime in and go, hey, I do something a little different, which is fine. Everybody does things a little different and have our own routines. And that's what makes everybody's journey different. And that's a good thing, you know? So I have no problem if you want to chime in on a video and say, hey, I do this way. That's fine. Somebody else might like that idea better than the way that I do something. You never know. It I am not offended by it by any way. The more input, the more information, the better. It helps other people as well. And so, anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed your time with me so far. And I do hope you enjoy the future time as well. So, okay, everybody, I'm going to let you go. Bear tracks. I'm going to let you go. I hope you have a wonderful weekend as it is Friday for me. And remember, always tell your family you love them and give them a hug. If be it you're talking on the phone, you're leaving your home, your parents' home, your uncle's home, who's ever home, always remember to tell them you love them because there's that one day that you may not get a chance. Okay, everybody. I will see you on the flip side.